Welcome to another episode of the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan. Today, we're diving into a topic that carries immense importance, especially as we find ourselves in the heart of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. That's right. Every October, we come together to highlight the significance of breast cancer awareness, early detection, and the incredible strength of survivors. But today, we're going a bit further to explore a practice you might not be familiar with, but is gaining recognition for its benefits to breast health. We're talking about lymphatic breast mesazed. This technique involves enhancing circulation, reducing tension, reducing or eliminating pain and tenderness, and may even aid in preventing specific health issues. Over the course of this episode, we're going to talk about the many benefits of lymphatic breast mesazed, delve into the techniques that make it effective, and discuss how it aligns with a natural and holistic approach to breast care. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey to better understand how we can support and improve our breast health through intuitive bodywork. Let's get started. Now let's explore the benefits of lymphatic breast mesazed. One key benefit is clearing lymphatic congestion. Many factors can contribute to this congestion, from wearing underwire or ill-fitting bras that restrict lymphatic flow to scar tissue from accidents or prior surgeries, very dense breast tissue, or simply not moving our bodies enough due to sedentary lifestyles. When lymphatic flow is obstructed due to any of these circumstances, it hampers the body's ability to remove waste byproducts or effectively filter bacteria and other toxins, allowing for a buildup of waste products in breast tissue. In addition to removing harmful waste products, these blockages also result in decreased delivery of nutrients and fresh oxygen to breast tissue. Breast swelling or edema can occur. This can be uncomfortable, resulting in breast tenderness, and often signals underlying health issues. Lymphatic breast mesazed helps reduce swelling and promotes fluid balance in the breast tissue. Regular practice of this, mesazed, can significantly improve breast health and alleviate such discomforts. Like a well-oiled machine, our bodies function best when everything flows smoothly. Lymphatic breast mesazed stimulates the lymphatic system, ensuring that fluids move freely and detoxify the body. Enhancing this flow not only supports breast health, but can also positively impact overall health and well-being. A great example is Susan, a 40-year-old woman who experienced significant improvements after incorporating lymphatic breast mesazed into her routine. She noticed a marked reduction in swelling and tenderness, leading to a much more comfortable daily life. Now let's talk about the immune system. Our lymphatic system plays a crucial role in defending our bodies against infections and diseases. By improving the circulation of lymphatic fluid through mesazed, we give our immune system a boost, making it more efficient at filtering out harmful substances. This enhanced immunity is another layer of support for maintaining good breast health. Last but certainly not least, let's discuss the role of lymphatic breast mesazed in the early detection and prevention of breast issues. By combining regular self-examinations with lymphatic breast mesazed, individuals become more attuned to the normal texture and appearance of their breasts. This heightened awareness enables them to identify abnormalities early and promptly seek medical attention. Early detection is critical for better treatment outcomes and can potentially save lives. These benefits contribute to a comprehensive approach to supporting and maintaining breast health. Before we move on, it's important to note that lymphatic breast mesazed is a form of self-care that you can comfortably practice on yourself or with a partner in the privacy of your own home or private space. In fact, for maximum benefit, lymphatic breast mesazed should be incorporated into your regular self-care routine as often as you like, every day to once a month. Do be aware that the more often you incorporate lymphatic breast mesazed in your routine, the more dramatic and long-lasting your results will be. If you are lucky, professional lymphatic breast, MES-AZD, may also be available near you. While professional lymphatic breast, MES-AZ, is not universally common, its popularity is on the rise, particularly among specific groups such as cancer survivors and health-conscious individuals. If you are looking into professional breast, MES-AZ, be sure the therapist has specific training and experience in this work. Lymphatic breast, MES-AZ, is generally not taught in basic MES-AZ or physical therapy programs. Stay tuned as we explore more about lymphatic breast, MES-AZ, techniques, and how to incorporate them into your self-care routine. Welcome back. Let's focus on a holistic approach to breast care, emphasizing the significance of overall wellness and self-care. Lymphatic breast, MES-AZ, is a gentle, natural technique that supports the body's inherent healing mechanisms. This makes it a non-toxic, safe option for those looking to enhance their breast health. But the benefits of lymphatic breast, MES-AZ, go beyond the physical. The therapeutic touch and relaxation associated with this technique can significantly improve emotional and mental well-being. Taking time to care for your breasts through MES-AZ helps reduce stress and fosters a deeper connection with your body. The practice of lymphatic breast, MES-AZ, encourages self-care and a positive body image. By incorporating this holistic approach into your routine, you take ownership of your health and well-being. This empowerment is crucial for maintaining optimal breast health. Now that we have some knowledge about the benefits of lymphatic breast, MES-AZ, let's take a look at some actual breast, MES-AZ techniques that you can use at home by yourself or with a partner. While it's beneficial and wonderful to receive a professional breast MES-AZ from time to time, these are techniques that you can do at home, by yourself, or with a partner. Lymphatic breast. MES-AZ works best when it is incorporated into your daily or weekly self-care routine. Consistency is the key. It only takes practicing a few minutes a day to see and feel the results. You can practice lymphatic breast, MES-AZ, once a day, or once a week, or on whatever schedule works for you. The key here is to just do it, and do it regularly. Let's start with a few basics. Proper technique and gentle pressure are essential to ensuring the effective movement of lymphatic fluid. Speaking of pressure, only a tiny amount is needed. Too much pressure will collapse the lymphatic vessels, resulting in no lymphatic flow at all, defeating the purpose of this work. You should use only enough pressure to stretch the skin slightly, then release. If you can feel your muscles, you're applying too much pressure. Welcome back. Let's get started. Here are some effective lymphatic breast MES-AZ techniques that you can start using now. Are you ready? Let's go. If you are in a private, quiet, and comfortable space, try to follow along. If not, you can visualize going through each step now and practice later. First, place your palm under your breast and gently, MES-AZ, towards your lymph nodes, which are located in your armpits. This involves light stroking with your palms along the bra line and upwards into the armpit area. Repeat this gentle stroking several times. You may want to apply a little organic fractionated coconut or other natural oil. The pressure can vary slightly depending on the area being treated, but it should always remain gentle. The aim is to stretch the skin lightly and then release it. Next is axillary, MES-AZ. The axilla is your armpit, and it has many lymph nodes. These lymph nodes filter substances that travel through the lymphatic fluid and contain lymphocytes, or white blood cells, that help the body fight infection and disease. The focus here is to stimulate and drain the lymph nodes. Cup your fingers and the palm of your hand just below the breast and glide in a motion that creates the letter C around the breast and into the armpit. Gently repeat several times. Follow with gentle stroking. For those with lymphedema, mise the upper half of the breast towards the unaffected armpit using a gentle stroking motion. Repeat this 5 to 10 times, always directing the fluid towards the left armpit if the right breast is being mise d. Next, use 2 or 3 fingers to mise in small circles, moving from the nipple outward in a clockwise direction. This technique can help stimulate lymphatic circulation. Now, use this pumping technique to move lymphatic fluid through the retromammary space at the back of the breast and into the lymph nodes where the lymph fluid is reabsorbed, filtered, and cleansed of harmful substances like bacteria, viruses, and abnormal cells. Breast pumping technique. Hold your breast stable and use your other hand to pump the upper inner quadrant of the breast upwards towards the neck. This can help in moving lymph fluid towards the lymph nodes. Then, wrapping both hands around the base of the breast, lift the breast off the chest wall and let it gently fall back on the chest. Repeat several times. Repeat each step we just discussed a few times until the breast begins to feel more supple and the chest feels lighter. Finally, let's do the collarbone stretch. Place your hands on your collarbone and gently stretch the skin across your chest by moving your hands towards your armpits. This helps to open up the lymphatic pathway's great start. Here are some additional tips. 1. Create a comfortable environment. Before starting the mise Z, create a calming space. 2. Consider dry brushing your body before or after the breast. Mise Z. Dry brushing is a skincare technique that involves using a stiff bristled brush to gently mise the skin without any water or products. This practice is believed to offer several benefits, including 1. Exfoliation. It helps remove dead skin cells, leading to smoother and softer skin. 2. Increased circulation. The brushing action stimulates blood flow, which can enhance skin health. And 3. Detoxification. Dry brushing aids in the release of toxins through the skin by stimulating the lymphatic system. And to dry brush, follow these steps. 1. Use a natural bristle brush that is firm but not too harsh on the skin. 2. Start at the feet. Begin brushing at your feet and work your way up towards your heart, using long, sweeping strokes. 3. Brush in circular motions. For areas like the abdomen, use circular motions to stimulate the skin. Lymphatic breast, mise Z. Your breasts will feel lighter, less dense, less congested, and more pliable than before. You might even notice a happy, healthy glow. Chances are, your whole chest will feel lighter, and you may notice that your posture has improved. Great job! And remember, it's not just the breasts that benefit. The gentle techniques used in lymphatic breast, mise Z, can also help reduce muscle tension and soreness in the chest, shoulders, and back. Releasing this tension promotes relaxation and overall well-being. Welcome back. Now, let's dive into how lymphatic breast, mise Z, may play a role in the prevention of breast cancer. When we talk about breast cancer prevention, one of the main things we emphasize is proactive healthcare practices. Lymphatic breast, me kalsuri paul, me churasis. MESAs is one such practice that can make a significant difference. By stimulating the lymphatic system, this mise Z helps keep the breast tissue healthy and properly detoxified, creating an environment less conducive to disease. Another key aspect of breast cancer prevention is the importance of regular self-examinations. Combining these exams with lymphatic breast, mise Z, makes individuals more familiar with the normal texture and shape of their breasts. This routine not only spreads awareness, but also makes it easier to detect any unusual changes or abnormalities early on. Remember, Early detection is critical for implementing effective treatment and improving outcomes. Supporting breast health through improved lymphatic flow is essential. The lymphatic system plays a pivotal role in filtering out toxins and bacteria. When this system functions well, it maintains the balance and health of breast tissue. By incorporating lymphatic breast, MYS-AZ, you're supporting this natural process and ensuring that your body can effectively defend against possible health threats. Additionally, lymphatic breast, MYS-AZ, promotes heightened awareness of any changes in your breast tissue. As you practice breast, MYS-AZ, you are going to become much more in tune with your breasts and your body. Being in tune with your body means you're more likely to notice any unusual lumps, bumps, or changes in texture or appearance. This proactive approach empowers you to seek medical attention immediately if something doesn't seem right. All these steps come down to one crucial point: the importance of acting promptly if you notice something unusual. Early detection and treatment can make a world of difference. So, if you ever find abnormalities, don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional for further evaluation. Taking these preventive measures can significantly contribute to your overall breast health and peace of mind. That's the empowering essence behind lymphatic breast, MYS-AZ, as a preventive practice. Stay tuned as we continue exploring other aspects of this intuitive and holistic approach to maintaining breast health. You're listening to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast with Alan Jordan. Welcome back to the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan, and we're continuing our deep dive into the world of lymphatic breast, MYS-AZ. Now, let's explore some of the time-honored techniques and traditions behind this invaluable practice, along with a few other considerations. Breast MYS-AZ is not a new practice. It has deep roots in ancient traditions such as Tantra and Taoism, where it was considered a sacred part of women's health. These ancient wisdoms recognized the breast not just as a functional part of the body, but as an essential element of feminine energy. They emphasized the importance of nurturing and connecting with this aspect of oneself. One of the techniques that can really enhance your lymphatic breast, MYS-AZ experience, is creating a sacred space. This involves setting aside dedicated time and creating a peaceful, comfortable environment where you can focus entirely on the practice. Think of it like creating a personal retreat within your own home. Using appropriate oils for your breast, MYS-AZ, can elevate the experience and benefit your skin. Oils like coconut oil or almond oil are excellent choices. These oils not only provide the necessary lubrication for the MYS-AZ, but also nourish the breast tissue, adding an extra layer of care and love. For lactating women, breast MYS-AZ can be incredibly beneficial. It helps to improve milk flow and prevent clogged milk ducts. Gentle massaging before and during breastfeeding can make a world of difference in your breastfeeding experience. Tension relief is another significant benefit. Breast MYS-AZ can help reduce muscle tension not just in your breasts, but also in your chest, shoulders, and back. This is particularly important for those who experience muscle tightness in the upper body due to stress or repetitive motions. Incorporating breast MYS-AZ into your daily routine is vital for maintaining overall breast health and self-care. Regular practice allows you to make this nurturing technique a natural part of your life, contributing to better breast health and a deeper connection with your body. That wraps up our discussion on the techniques and traditions of breast MYS-AZ. In the next segment, I'm going to share a personal story about my journey into lymphatic breast MYS-AZ. Stay tuned. I will be right back.
Now, I want to share a personal story that marks the beginning of my journey into the world of lymphatic breast massage. It all started back in 1999 while I was attending the annual American Massage Therapy Association Council of Schools conference. At this enlightening event, I had the pleasure of attending a presentation by Deborah Curtis. She was not only the president of the Council of Schools at that time, but also the executive director of the Sutherland Chan School of Massage in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Deborah had just authored a comprehensive book on breast massage, and her presentation was nothing short of inspirational. She eloquently explained why breast massage should be integrated into massage therapy school curriculums, highlighting the significant health benefits it could offer. Listening to Deborah, I was struck by the profound implications of her message. She spoke about how teaching breast massage could equip students with a valuable modality, significantly enhancing their palpatory skills, ethical boundaries, and confidence. This was not just about breast health. It was about empowering therapists and clients alike. Inspired by her words and the wealth of information she shared, I felt an unstoppable drive to incorporate lymphatic breast massage into our curriculum at the massage therapy school where I taught. And so shortly after returning from the conference, we took the leap. I was entrusted with the task of developing and co-teaching this newly envisioned program. My teaching partner and I dove headfirst into studying every facet of breast health, from breast anatomy and physiology to pathology, wellness care, and of course, breast massage. Our quest for knowledge took us far and wide. We traveled to Canada to learn directly from Deborah Curtis, gaining invaluable insights and practical expertise. Our journey didn't stop there. In Columbus, Ohio, we studied lymphatic breast care under the guidance of Dr. Bruno Chickley, MD. This was followed by intensive learning sessions with Susan Rackle-Condon at the Swedish Institute of Massage in New York City, where I deepened my understanding of massage for breast health. Armed with a wealth of knowledge and a solid foundation in these practices, we returned to our roots and set about developing the lymphatic breast massage curriculum. We poured our hearts into this endeavor, ensuring every aspect of the teaching program met our high standards and comprehensive objectives. The response was incredible. The program was an immediate success at the Tennessee Institute of Healing Arts in Chattanooga, Tennessee, achieving all the outcomes we had envisioned. It was immensely gratifying to see our students embrace this modality, expanding their skills and confidence, and ultimately offering this valuable service to their clients. This journey has underscored for me the vital importance of lymphatic breast massage. It is a powerful tool for promoting optimal breast health and self-care. By educating and equipping individuals with these techniques, we empower them to take an active role in their health and well-being. And that, to me, is the true essence of intuitive bodywork.
As we wrap up this enlightening episode, let's take a moment to summarize the key takeaways from today's discussion on lymphatic breast massage. We've explored its incredible benefits, including clearing lymphatic congestion, supporting the immune system, promoting lymphatic drainage, and reducing breast tenderness and swelling. By combining lymphatic breast massage with regular self-examinations, you can detect any abnormalities early, which is critical for better treatment outcomes. We've also highlighted the holistic approach to breast care, emphasizing the importance of overall wellness and self-care. This gentle and natural technique helps not only to relieve pain and muscle tension, but also fosters a deeper emotional connection with your body and promotes a positive body image. I hope today's episode has inspired you to consider incorporating lymphatic breast massage into your routine. If you're new to this practice, seek guidance from a professional therapist or healthcare provider to ensure you use the correct techniques. Remember, this is about taking an active role in your breast health and overall well-being. For more information and resources, be sure to check the show notes. Thank you all for joining me today on the Intuitive Bodywork Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Jordan. Stay well, stay informed, and keep tuning in. Until next time.